decades of sci-fi telling us that AI is eventually going to kill us all.
AI, which is called the artificial intelligence. It is the most powerful machine that is made by humans. For what people do, just doing manual things in 2026 as like a web developing. But today I will tell you how to make a website from AI from scratch. So let's begin. Lovable AI is a base for beginners which come with a high level AI tools that is made by them only. So to make AI websites, go to lovable.ai websites and log in it with your Google account or with the number.
After that, this dialog opens. Means the page will open like this. You have to nothing to be changed and do not take the tension. Not take the tension. Just you can see the template where you can see how the website is made, and you can use this template for your own, and you can make the website whatever you want to make, and you can change it. It's very easy to do. Just like I have made this 2 websites. It will take some time to open. See here the website will open. I have made for Potar International School Khamgaon, and you can see how it was made. Very professional with the AI images. You can also create this type of website with the help of Lovable AI. So you have to nothing but just you have to go to this and just write about which website do you want. Like I want Potar International School. Based on Potar International School theme, I want a website. Like I will write here, I want website for Potar School theme. So I will just hit enter. It will take some time and it will take changes. It will take some time like 10 to 15 minutes because of some reasons the Lovable AI takes more time, and it makes it more professional, more handler and easy to use. So not take tension about that, and you can do like this. So it will take some time like this. See that you can see how it was making it. See, I have just given the information. I do not have written about that. Give me like this website. I just give him this code from the ChatGPT. I have just write about that. Give me the from the for the Lovable AI website, and you can see how it goes. And you can also add the information to this. Like I have just written Potar Education Network. So let's see how it's made. It gives a preview. It takes some time, but it will do. Be patient. If you want the details about this, you can go here and click the details. You can see how it was thinking, how it was edited, and how he was doing like this. And you can also publish the website also. See like this. You can see here is the option. It gives the free domain for you to publish. You have to buy. You do not have to buy a domain for that. You can also buy. You have to not buy the domain. It gives the free domains like this, and after if you want the domain you can buy it from the GoDaddy. So it takes some time. Now the video will so long, so I will not show you, but I will give the link of the website how I have made. I have made it two websites. I have made it two websites for Koda International School Khambha. It was free. Do not take tension. It was really free. You can easily use it. Just see my name, and here is the free. I am using free version, and I have made two websites, and also I am changing like this. So I think it takes the time, so I will go back and see this one. This one I have made for officially Koda International School Khambha, and it was publicly available. You can see it like this. See, I have made like this. I will do some changes about this. I have get notice from the school, so I will do some changes afterwards. And you can see, if you want the code, you can get the code also. If you want, see, here is the whole code. It will process like this, and you can see you can do from here also the changes. So the end of this video, and thank you for watching. And also please, if you get a valuable information in this, please subscribe and like to my channel. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.